Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along Bob Iacchino. Pretty much a speed update on Tesla. You can see inside bar today. Key area on the daily is yesterday's low with the rising rotation zones, so that's what you can watch for if we break below about 962. Let's jump down to the 4-hour now. There might be some minor support about 981, so the close level is about 981.50, then 962. And then we'll be watching down at this support ledge, this prior support ledge, or this prior resistance ledge becoming support, broken there, but we're still watching that about 950. This is still a potential double. If you want to hear more about that, then watch yesterday's video. Other than that, everything else stays the same. Now, this is interesting on the daily. The base of the double is now at the bottom of the rotation zone. So if this were to trigger, the rotation zone is virtually going to be out of the way, which gives it a higher probability target. So we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.